Hey, thanks for watching this video. It's a pretty simple one. I'm just going to be replacing the light brackets that I already have in my JK on the front windshield for my LED lights. What I've done and what I've noticed is the ones that I bought were just metal painted black. We've seen them 1,000 times. A lot of people have them out there, but living up here in the north where they salt the roads like crazy, I've already repainted these things like twice every season. They just keep flaking. They're causing almost like rust to show up on my paint on my Jeep, which I don't want. So I've actually bought some aluminum ones, powder coated. They're from Westin and they're called Snyper. They're pretty new. They came out maybe last year. Thought I'd give them a shot. I haven't used a lot of Westin products before, but I sell a lot of Westin products. So I'm going to try them out. I'm going to put them on. A little short video of how to put them on and what they look like afterwards. Okay, thanks. Okay, so this is the Westin box. This is not bad at all. This is just, again, the Snyper by Westin, aluminum powder coated. This is the box they came in, nothing too crazy. Got your instructions, got your actual ones here. There's the side of it, right? So it says Snyper, kind of cool, right? Indented, really nice, and it even has a spot, I don't know if you can see this on film here, for the wire to go back in and then tuck through underneath the cowl of the Jeep. So it's pretty cool. I like that. Integrated into it. Snyper by Westin. Pretty cool stuff. Alright, there we go. Moving on. They give you all new hardware as well. Stainless steel, looks like. Good stuff. And even new pads. Awesome. Alright, there we go. Let's give this a shot. So I've already actually gone ahead and I've loosened all these bolts off already, just because it's just easier for making a video. So basically you're going to take your two Torx ones out of here, out of the vehicle itself. That's going to come off, and then you're going to unbolt your light from your old bracket, of course, or putting under a new bracket. I'll show you how to put those on. I'm just going to take these ones off first. They're rusted like crazy. So much rust. Okay, these are off the vehicle, and now I will just undo these bad boys. Get these off as well. There we go. Done. Disgusting. Horrible rust. You see that? Horrible. 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 Alright, so what I've done is now I've put the lights onto the actual bracket itself. You're going to tuck that through like this. That's a cool little spot for that. Then what we're going to do here, the longer bolt from Westin goes up top. Put that through right here. We're going to get that started ever so slightly. We don't want to strip anything, of course, so just get her started here. There we go. And the smaller bolt that comes from the Westin one is going to go to the bottom. Line up our holes and away we go. We'll get these guys just started. Okay, making sure that our wires are routed correctly and going through. Perfect. Keep hand tightening these a little bit so I know I'm completely good. Switch over to our tool here, and this is going to be an 8 mil. Okay. So I like how that's wrapping around. Just wrapping around it more. There we go. Just making sure that our wires are running through the cool thing. You know, let's just take this aerial off for 2 seconds. There we go. Now we can get in there much better. Here we go. Jesus. Let's loosen that off again. Make sure that wire is connected through the rotor. go. Alright. Okay. Our routing is good. Make sure it's nice and taut. You don't want to go over tightening, but you want to make sure that it ain't going anywhere. There we go. So now we got the bracket on. The light's nice and tight. I got it facing out off to the trail a bit. I don't need them going forward because I got headlights for that and other lights for that. So we want to light up what's beside us so we can see. Now, what we're going to do here is we are going to run this back underneath here to where our light connection is underneath there. I still have it. It's right over there. So I'm just going to move this camera around so you can see it, and then maybe you can see it from this angle. I'm not sure. I'm going to run underneath there. That'll be good. All right, cool. All right, so what I've done is I took the bolts out of the cowl here, and I ran the wire back down through there, of course. Here's my connection, and here's my other connection. So I have to hook these two together. Power will be back, and that'll be it. All right, so there we go. There's the finished product. It's all laced up back underneath the cowl again. So there you go. There's both windshield mount brackets, aluminum from Westin, the Snyper ones. They are on there. Good to go. A little dark. Can't really see it says Snyper, which is kind of cool. But yeah, aluminum. Really, really, really sick of the crappy metal painted black ones, as they just rust like crazy. Completely, totally rust. Sick of it. There you go. Pretty easy install, guys. Takes like literally like half an hour. That's about it. Thanks, guys.